Hello everybody and welcome back to Scorpio Tech. In this video we're going to be unboxing and checking out the Benks desktop headset stand. This stand is available in black or white for a price of £25, $33 or €29 from the Benks official website. So let's get stuck into the unboxing and find out if this stand is the perfect choice for your desk setup. The stand comes nicely packaged in a very sturdy Apple-esque box with the product embossed nicely on the front. As you can tell, this is the white version, which should match my gaming setup pretty well. Taking a look inside the box, we can see that everything has been well protected to avoid any scratches or damage on arrival. We've been given the white headset stand base, an instruction manual, not that we'd hopefully have to use one for a headset stand, a single screw and Allen key, and last but not least the curved headset rest and shaft. Taking a closer look at the base, you can instantly feel the premium quality of this headset stand. The top side has a silicone touch surface with silver accents and a non-slip silicone pad on the underside to ensure it remains stable when in use. The frame is made from a high quality aluminium alloy, with the top section of the headset holder also having that soft touch silicone surface to help protect against any wearing to the headband section of your headset. As you would imagine for a headset stand, the setup process was extremely simple, with one screw needed in the base to firmly attach the rest of the stand. I know it's going to be hard to tell through YouTube, but the feel of the silicone touch surfaces is honestly extremely nice and smooth, and I think it would look at home in any desk setup. And thanks to the padding on the underside of the base, you won't have any issues with scratching your desk or whatever surface you use the headset stand on. The Benks headphone stand has a really nice weight to it, and it ticks all of the boxes for aesthetics and practicality. The headset holder canopy is designed to ensure your headphones don't get warped, unlike with some other generic headset stands. I've tested this headset stand out with the SteelSeries headset that you've seen in this video, as well as the Beyerdynamic DT990s, and I can tell you that they both fit perfectly, so I'm sure you won't have any issues with whichever headset you choose to use. I think you really get what you pay for with the Benks headset stand, and I would have absolutely no issues recommending it to anyone. I simply cannot find any flaws with the build quality or style. Its modern stylish design would fit seamlessly into practically any living room, studio, gaming setup, or wherever else you would like to hang your headphones up. As always, you can check out the product via the link in the description if you would like to purchase, learn more, or check out the plethora of other Benks products. As always, thank you so much for watching this video. If you did enjoy it, please consider liking and subscribing, as it really does help the channel out. I'd also love to invite you to join my Discord server to talk about all things tech and gaming. I really hope to see you there. Thank you again for watching this video, and I hope to see you all in the next one. Goodbye.